YouTube, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy Stealth, back with another video for you guys. Today I got something real good that I think you're gonna like. We will be getting new wheels put on the G8. These stock ones, they're nice, that's great, but the fitment, I can't do it anymore, man. I cannot do it anymore. The fitment just doesn't cut it for me, so hopefully these new wheels with a new spacer setup will be fixing that for me. But I don't want to show you guys what wheels I got yet, so let me get them loaded up on the truck and I'll get back to you guys. All right, you guys, we have the wheels in the back right now. I'm on the way to this tire shop. Basically what had happened was I found these wheels. I found a good deal on Marketplace, so I picked them up, but I didn't pay attention to the tire size, and the sidewall is actually too thick, so it rubs on my struts, and it rubs like on the inner sidewall on the inner fender liner. Even without like hitting a bump or something, it just rubs if you're driving straight. So hopefully these tires, the ones I'm getting, have a thinner sidewall, so hopefully it gets rid of that issue so we can get them put back on and I can show you guys when we get home. But I will pick back up the camera when I get a little closer because I have like 45 minutes to go, so yeah. All right, you guys, we're at the tire shop right now. The wheels are getting put on the tires right now, on a new set of tires. I'm gonna wait to show you guys until I get them mounted on the car. Right now I'm just getting the tires put on the wheels and I'm gonna mount them back at the house. But yeah, if you need any work done, INF, place to go. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek. Ready? You see it? You see that? All right. I'll check when I edit it if you guys saw it or not. But yeah, that's your sneak peek right there. So let me get these tires mounted on real quick. Not mounted. Yeah, mounted on, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, you guys, I made it home now. It's much later. I just got the wheels washed up, and the tires are on and everything. I ended up going with a winter tire for the back because, you know, I need more grip, rear wheel drive, Jersey. There's gonna be snow, slippery up here, a lot of bumps, so I just needed some more grip, but I will change those off when the spring and summer rolls around. But without further ado, I don't know how many of you guys guessed it, but I did go with silver wheels. They're kind of similar to these. These are dirty right now, so they look more mattish, but I did go with a nice chrome polished wheel with 275s in the front and 245s in the I'm bugging. 275s in the back and 245s in the front. The front is an all season and the back is a winter tire. I mean, I got the tires how I could. I really didn't care that much. I just needed some tires on them. But yeah, there's more of an offset on this wheel, so it'll come out a little wider than these do right now. And hopefully when I get spacers next week, it'll fix any fitment issues we have. But yeah, man, this is the official wheel reveal. It's not much of a difference. It's still a 5-spoke, but I think it looks way better. I like how open it is in between each spoke. Yeah, they're meatier. These are 19s, these are 20s. But yeah, I think these are gonna look real good. I just got them cleaned up as much as I could. I'm gonna polish them probably in a week or two, but I just want to get them on for right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wheel. I'm gonna get this side put on, these two, but front and back. I'm gonna get these put on, and then I'll pick the camera up and show you guys how it looks. All right, you guys, I got the back ones on. I want you to ignore the monster truck height, but yeah, I'm glad my car don't sit this high, man. Could you imagine? Sheesh. But yeah, I got the back ones on. You guys aren't gonna be able to get a good image of what it really will be like, but what it really is going to be like. But yeah, fronts, backs. I do kind of wish I went with a 35. Give me a little more sidewall. Yeah, I might change that out soon. But yeah, that's what it's looking like, man. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to go get a 35 instead of a 30, but this will work for right now. I definitely think I want a little more sidewall than that. But yeah, I think it looks good, especially once it settles down. I think it'll look real good. Let me go get the fronts on and I'll show you guys, and then we might be able to get some clips. All right, you guys, I got the front one on. As you can see, I'm definitely gonna have to clean them up again. My hands are all dirty. But yeah, they're on. They'll definitely look a lot better once my lowering springs come in, but for the time being, I think that looks pretty good, man. To be completely honest with you, I think that looks good. I mean, other than, we'll fix that soon. Monster truck fit me for a little bit, but yeah, that definitely looks a lot better in my personal opinion. I know you guys can't really see it because it's behind the house, but I'm gonna get the last one put on the front other side. All right, you guys, the wheels are on. I did a test drive. Everything's good, flush, no rubbing, none of that. This thing looks good, man. Next up, we got tint and then lowering springs. That, you can't tell me that thing don't look good, man. Look at that. Whoo! The RCF got nothing on this, man. This looks good, man. Y'all have no clue. No clue at all, man. I've been in a car since I was a kid. I wanted my own nice car since I was a kid, and having something like this and being able to mod it, do the things I want to it, man, it's really a dream come true. And one day, I'm gonna have a big YouTube channel and just show the world what I could do for real. And the type of person I am. That's really my goal, man. But not to get too sentimental with you guys, I think this does look very good, and I think this does call for a POV. So without further ado, let's get into that. All right, you guys, we're in the car, man. Got the new wheels on. I'm gonna be honest, bro. The look of these wheels made me fall in love with this car 10 times over, bro. Excuse my voice if it's a little stuffy. It's cold up here, man. But these wheels made me fall in love with this car tenfold, bro. Honestly. Like, they look amazing, bro. And I know it's still a 5-spoke, and it's really a small touch, but they make the car look completely different in my personal opinion. Definitely just sped past the cop. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, and I really hope he doesn't pull out. You know what, we're gonna make it right just as a precaution. POV angle don't be enough, man. Let me get y'all, y'all still grab the steering wheel real quick, bro. Yeah, you grab the steering wheel real quick. Downshift for me real quick. Every time I think I'm tired of this car or whatever, I fall back in love with it, man. My fault if I've been yapping this vlog, man. I just feel accomplished for real. I just feel like I'm accomplished. I've accomplished a lot. You know, to be here in a car that I love and something I enjoy at 19 years old, it's honestly just a blessing, man. Don't take anything for granted in life, and everything is possible. Just work towards what you want. And don't let nothing blind you or distract you. If you want something, set your eyes on that goal and make it happen. That's wise words from Stealth for the day, man. That shit was corny. Alright, let me shut up and go back to the POV. Reaper giving y'all a sneak peek. Y'all gotta pay attention. Alright, bet.
Look at that sauce, nigga.
Ooh, that boy changed the trim. Y'all seen this before his vlog.
You fuck with this better though? Like, you fuck with this better?
That shit is raw. I'm not gonna lie.
Look at that.
That shit is raw, bro.
The accents, nigga.
Y'all getting a sneak peek. Y'all can't say nothing, bro. Y'all getting a sneak peek, alright? Simple. Guys, these wheels look amazing, bro. If you guys do want to see more content like this, there's plenty to come on my channel. There's already some up. So if you like the POV content, if you like the installs, make sure you check out my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. That'll be it for you guys. Peace.